the Sub Prep Homestead.
Today is Thursday, December 12th, 2024.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Pythons, make sure to come support all of our performing arts today and tomorrow at the Winter Spectacular.
Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We're back tomorrow, more news and updates. Have a great day. Go!